I'm Caroline. I am a senior at Stockton University and I'm an elementary education major with a disability minor. I am bringing to you guys our craft kits. Super exciting. The craft we're going to be working on today is our pop-up card craft, and I'm also partnering up with the Noyes Arts Museum in Atlantic City, Stockton University, and the Atlantic County Arc. So right now I'm going to show you what our inner craft kit. To make our pop-up cards, the first thing we have is this cool little colorful card. We are going to be working on the back side, and I'll explain why in a little bit. And then we have our glue sticks to make sure we can paste everything. And we have 5 little circles, all multicolored, right here. So make sure you guys are setting everything out so you can see everything and have a good visual. And then we have 2 green squares and 1 green strip. So that's everything in our craft kit. Okay, so lay out all your materials so we can get started. And you want to make sure you take your frame and turn it on the back side because this is where we'll be working. We're going to paste the green strip in the middle of the page, and we're going to start at the bottom. And connecting it to the bottom center of the page and slowly pasting it right through the middle of your page. This green strip is going to be the stem of the flower for our pop-up card. Next, what we are going to do is we're going to take our 5 circles, and it doesn't matter which color you fold first, it's all preference. So you're going to start folding each circle in half, and my favorite color is yellow, so whatever favorite color you have or you want to start with is up to you. Now that all of our circles are folded in half, we're going to paste one side. So you just add a little glue on the one side, and then you are going to paste it so the fold is opening up towards the left, and you're going to paste it down, and then we're going to follow that pattern around the whole, circling around the stem. And all your petals are pasted. So our next step is we're going to take our 2 green squares and we're going to fold them. So how we're going to fold them is we're going to take it diagonally and we're going to fold it over. And it's still folded in half, but we just turned our square into a triangle. And this is creating the leaves for our flower. I'm going to do the same thing with the other square, just folding it right in half. Then we are going to paste it on either side of the stem. So our last and final step is choosing a saying to paste on the frame. So this is what the final frame looks like, the back of the card. So once you flip it over, there's a neat little pocket, and you could do whatever you want with it. I know Valentine's Day is coming up, so if you have someone special, you could slip in a little card, a picture, or even a note. And if you don't want to slip anything else in, you could write a message or even just draw a picture. I just wanted to let you guys all know that I had so much fun today. Thank you so much for crafting with me, and I wish you guys all the best with the rest of your spring season.